Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert number to word in Microsoft Word document. So get ready started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that convert number to word. Now, so first number is 2024 and second number so 1234. Firstly, now you can see first number from the select 2024. Now for select, then keyboard press from the control F9. Now number from the equal and number last is a slash star, and keyboard press from the type from the text. Now mouse right button click, then click for the update field option. That's it. Now for click, that is, then show number 2 word, then show again another number. Now for select, now keyboard press from the control F9 and first equal and number last from the slash star text. Now for type, then mouse right button from the click, then click for the update field option. That's it. Then you show convert number to word in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.